My name is Aspera. I just finished my third year in civil engineering at Swansea University. My shop's called Aspera, and it comes from the Latin phrase ad aspera per astra, which means through darkness to the stars. So second year of uni, me and my housemates moved into quite a horrible, mouldy house. And my way to kind of decorate and make my room look and feel a bit better was just adding houseplants. Since then, my collection grew a bit too much, so it got to a point where I thought I might as well just sell them now. So my business started in February as a website. It didn't really pick up as well as I wanted it to, so I started doing markets, and from doing markets I quite like the in-person sale rather than just being an online business. Because my shop's a bit of a mix, there's plants, there's vintage clothes, there's jewellery. There's not really any other shop like this in Swansea, so I just wanted to open something a bit different. Most of my customers that have come in, they've really loved the shop and just said how calm it is in here, and Swansea kind of needs a shop like this, so yeah, it's nice to hear some good feedback. There's about 1,000 plants in the shop at the moment, and at one time I think we've got my favourite plant is pineapple. So yeah, it's quite cool. A lot of people haven't seen a pineapple in a pot. I think a lot of people think that they grow on trees. The enterprise team have been really helpful from the start. Promoted quite a lot of networking events to me, and pretty much every networking event that I've been to meet other businesses has been through the enterprise team. Any opportunities available, the enterprise team have been really helpful. They've told me about like grant opportunities. I've had quite a lot of customers through the enterprise team as well. I'd definitely say if you're starting a business, then definitely go and speak to the enterprise team.